it basically cuts off the signal between the controller and the drone, sir. But there are other anti-drone measures. It can be as innovative as having yung ibon, sir, uhulihin niya yung drone. There are birds that are trained to look for drones and basically
Birds?
catch it. Yes, sir.
Low-tech yung pag-ibon.
But the thing is, it doesn't use technology, sir, kasi marami ring if you have a counter drone, there is also a counter drone. So they can use multiple signals, sir, if it's specifically designed for that.
Wala bang isang technology na naka-install lang dyan? Kunyari, isang bahay, install sa bubong niya yung counter anti-drone. 24/7 nag-operate yun para pag may dumaan na drone doon sa bahay na yon, mawala ng signal yung drone, babagsak.
Yes, sir. That's basically what a counter drone is, and pwede yun, sir.
Okay.
May solution na ganun.
So hindi na kailangan pang antayin pag nakita yung drone saka gagamit yung device.
Yes, sir.
So yung device, it continues to operate.
Yes, sir. There's such a solution, sir.
Very good. Kaap,
Yes, Your Honor.
so meron tayong ganun, counter anti-drone sa airport, 24/7, naka-install?
For now, Your Honor, wala po.
Holy shit. I'm sorry. Why not? Why not?
So far, lahat po ng nag-present sa Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, except for Mr. Billy Pascua,
Wow.
it's all linear, 1 kilometer linear distance. So for one airport, if that's 10-kilometer radius, can you imagine the number of repeaters that are needed to be installed around an airport?
I know. Pero isn't that dangerous na wala pala tayong counter anti-drone sa ating mga airport? So,
I agree, Your Honor.
ano pong plano? Ano pong ginagawa natin? Ano pong game plan?
Your Honor, if I may, hindi in Asia, wala pa naman po talaga may effective anti-drone around their structures because number one, the technology is still very expensive at this time. And if I
Very
may quote,
expensive? Meron pa ba mas expensive sa buhay ng mga tao sa nakasakay sa aeroplano?
I agree with you, Your Honor. But for example, there's this one subscription-based anti-drone.
Okay.
It's, I think, correct me if I'm $1 million a month.
Okay.
So, the need to protect all of our aerodromes, Your Honor. Basically, how can we effectively propose such a budget that will not be preposterous? Number one, for the acquisition of the equipment. Number two is the subscription fee.
Okay.
And number three, the maintenance of the said equipment.
Okay.
So we are currently still studying other options which might be presented, and as we were conversing a while ago, as technology progresses, most probably the prices would tend to go down, and then by
I
then...
understand. So, yung ibang bansa, meron bang counter anti-drone sa kanilang mga airports? O tayo lang bang wala? O marami din mga bansa na wala din tulad natin? Marami din. Pero ano yung ginagawa ng mga ibang bansa na yun? Kahit pansamantala, habang hindi pa
Actually,
nila
Your
kaya yung
Honor,
presyo ng subscription.
it's
sabi
more
mo.
of just coming out with the regulations, making the public aware that of the certain provisions, like you're not supposed to fly within 10 kilometers of an airport. In fact, in other countries, the regulation states it's only 4 kilometers, but in the Philippines, we made it into 10 kilometers.
Kahit pa sabihin natin 100 kilometers,
Yes,
eh
Your
kung di
Honor,
naman susundin.
I agree. I
Diba?
agree. But because, Your Honor, you see, it is not through registration of the drones, it's not through the importation of the drones, it's not through the buying of the drones that lies the problem. Because if you go in the internet, you can produce a drone in less than 5 hours. 3D printing, the technology is there. So basically, the drone scenario in the Philippines is so volatile. So
I understand.
as of this moment, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines is still trying to cope up with the ever-changing capabilities of the drone.
So kapag bumili ba ng drone sa mga tindahan, hindi ba registered yung serial number niyan? Yung seller hindi na-register sa any government agency that's supposed
Actually,
to regulate
Your
that?
Honor, I think we would need the help of DTI on that matter for the sales of the drone. So probably
Parang sasakyan, di ba?
yes,
Nakaregister.
yes, Your Honor, exactly like that.
And then dapat may insurance. Para
Yes.
pala ba yung drone nag-crash, nakasira ng bubong,
Yes, Your Honor.
may tinamaang tao,
Yes, Your
may
Honor.
insurance. So wala tayong ganon.
Wala, Your Honor, kasi
Meron ba taga-DTI dito? Okay.
if you look at it this way, Your Honor,
Okay.
if for example I get a drone and as you've said, I put in a bomb
Yes.
and use it, when that bomb detonates, the drone disintegrates. So regardless if it was registered or not, we wouldn't know. We wouldn't know where the remote is. We wouldn't know. So basically, that is the challenge that is facing worldwide regulators right now. Precisely because of the fact that you mentioned a while ago, it was brought into light by the Ukraine war. Diyan po nagsimula that all civil aviation authorities around the world took notice. And up until now, there is still no viable solution as to how do we effectively counter this. Because number one, a drone is so small, when it explodes, it disintegrates, no trace.
Okay. Pwede rin yung drone papaliparin tapos ibabangga sa eroplano, sabog.
That is highly possible also, Your Honor.
Sabi niyo po kanina, sir, very expensive yung subscription, $1 million a month. Did I hear it right? Kaya isa sa mga hindrance yun na kaya hindi tulad ng ibang bansa mayaman, siguro Amerika meron yung ibang wala kasi mahal. Bakit hindi natin kausapin yung mga taga-airlines para tumulong sa atin? Lahat ng airlines na papasok sa bansa natin, pasok-labas na ginagamit natin mga airport. So, singilin natin sila para masubsidize yung pagbili natin itong technology na sinasabi nyo. Pag-subscribe doon sa technology.
That would be a possibility, Your Honor. But we have to also remember, we are archipelagic in nature.
Okay.
So all our airports are scattered all over different islands. So what we may do for one airport, we may not be able to do for other airports. And if all our planes are servicing